What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a good deal on a Carnival cruise. You do not want to miss these 3 tips I'm going to share with you. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. So you're looking to take a Carnival cruise and you're trying to find some ways and brainstorm how to get a good deal on a Carnival cruise. Well, I want to help you brainstorm today. I'm going to share with you 3 tips doing my research and that I came up with that I can help you out on making the best decision on your Carnival cruise. So let's dive straight into these tips. Tip number 1. All right. Now, this is very critical because a lot of the cruise lines, especially Carnival, they'll rather give a highly reduced rate to a room rather than it to go empty. Okay, so this is what I recommend doing. Do last minute bookings. Okay, wait until the last minute. Okay, a lot of times you get a huge discount because you at the last minute booking. Okay, so let's say a cruise is going out, 7-day cruise is going out sometime in maybe September 1st to the 7th. Just say this for example. And you book your cruise on the 5th of September. Okay. Now you'll get a discount because they got empty rooms on here that they are very, very desperate to fill. And they were very, very flexible on offering reduced rates just to have these rooms filled rather than it being empty. So last minute bookings is a one way that you can get a good deal on a Carnival cruise. Wait until the last minute. Okay. Now the flip side of this, you may have to be very flexible. Okay. You may have to be flexible with your times, your dates, or your destinations. Okay. Because think about it, you wait to the last minute. However, if you're flexible and you're willing to go through these changes and be flexible with your cruise dates and destinations, you can get a reduced rate because you waited to the last minutes to do your booking. Okay. All right. Tip number 2, go in the less popular months. This is what I like to call low seasons. Okay. A lot of the popular months, such as June or July, maybe April, a lot of people like to go on cruising when it's warm. Okay. Now this is very, very popular months. However, cruise lines know this, so the prices are higher in these months. Okay. If you go on a low popular month or a low season month, guess what? You'll get a cheaper rate because it's not as popular. Many people don't go during these times. Okay. They do have special huge discounts during like maybe hurricane season, which is okay if you up to it. And if you want to get a huge discount on a cruise, hurricane season might be a good thing for you, but you know, it's up to you. You know, I went in a hurricane season and guess what? The sun was out all 7 days. I have had no issues and we had a huge discount on a cruise. So it's up to you. It's your preference, but that's one thing I want to recommend for tip 2. Go in the low season, the less popular months. Okay. All right. Tip number 3. Now, if you are in the military or have been in the military, you get military discounts. Okay. Military discounts is offered to veterans. So this is another option for you to get a good deal on a Carnival cruise, military discount. So make sure you keep this in mind when booking your cruise vacation. Now, if you got all 3 of these, you'll save a huge discount on a Carnival cruise. Okay, so just take these into consideration when booking your Carnival cruise. So let's do a recap. Last minute booking. Okay, that's number 1, last minute booking. Number 2, less popular months, low season. Okay. And tip number 3, military discount. So if you apply all these, you'll get a good, or should I say great deal on a Carnival cruise. Okay, so anyway, that's my time. If you like these tips, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video. If you or anyone you know want to become a travel agent, please click the link below this video. Or if you need assistance on your travel needs or a quote, also feel free to click one of the links in the video description. Make sure you pay attention to the video description as I will have these links available to you all. All right, Larry Porter signing off. Please be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video. Happy traveling. Bye-bye.